Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So today we got very nice uptrend movement, but also everybody got I would say pretty much flushed out all the bulls and the bears. I mean, if you didn't time it properly, you got screwed. And I had two trades today, and one didn't go well. I did some leverage and I got trigger out, and I was doing going on a 5x, so I did lost a couple of percentage. But then the other one, I was everything was well, actually I would say I was more a little bit cowboy this morning, so I was maybe the worst time ever to do such a thing. But as you can see today, now it's mixed feeling, a lot of red. 1 hour ago everything was flashing green, like glow in the dark, and now, as you can see, all of that, it's because of the news of Ethereum. It looks like in Illinois, I think, BlackRock filed for the Ethereum ETF. Now, this is good news, but also yes and no, because it would have been better if Bitcoin go up here and stay here and use this trend as a support and continue. But it's not doing that, and so we did skyrocket. Now plan B, it would be to go and use this trend line as a support. As you can see, was also a resistance here that's going to become a support as well. So this is what I'm looking for now. So the trade I had today, it was TWT. This is the trust wallet of Binance. I did mention to you guys when it was I think around here or around here, I don't remember. And I did tell you that the target would be around this level here, previous resistance. We almost got there, but today honestly something got very, very wrong. And with the news, honestly, I took like a leverage 5x, and I went on the 15 minutes and I draw this uptrend line, and I said, it's going, so should be not a bad. So I did took some entrance here when it was reaching this level, and then after I got stepped out, I think 145. As you can see, my goodness, you can see the wicks here. And that's crazy, honestly, because I think everybody has this kind of wicks. So everybody that was long, they got screwed big time as well. So as you can see, that's crazy. But if we had some believers, and they would have said, well, I really do believe in, I don't know, Solana, and I'm waiting for a pullback. And I keep saying, trust, don't run after the price. Let the price go to the MA200. Look at that band on. And so patience do pay off. And then for people who actually were patient and actually had a buy limit, well, they got Solana for cheap, for below $42. I mean, that was the deal of the day, or one of the deal of the day. Rune also is skyrocketing. Honestly, Rune is the strongest one because it didn't do a crazy week. Well, I mean, it did it, but it didn't kind of mess up the chart. Also, let me see, optimism. Now, this is a crazy week, right? So it was my god, pre-Christmas or pre Thanksgiving. Now everybody, honestly, it did this kind of week. As you can see, Matic, it was also a nice deal here, not dramatic as the other one. Actually, Link, still not that bad though at this price. As you can see now, the more it goes, more you browse the internet or YouTube, you can see everybody is selling Chainlink. They're calling about 10x this price level. Some others, they say 100x, possibly in 2 cycle. 1000x. Well, now, let's take one day at a time, 1 month at a time. We're not there yet. It's looking good. And yeah, we're doing this third wave. Is this finished? Are we going to continue? Well, no one can answer that. Injective, my goodness, here was also a very nice deal. But honestly, now we're having a double top, right? So I'm going to wait for a corrective movement. I believe maybe this is the third. I don't know. Is it the third or the fifth? I believe it's the third. So I'm going to wait for a fourth wave pullback, and then after we'll see. So the best thing to do in these moments is to not FOMO. And anyway, now it starts to be pretty much lost all the gain they did, and actually even losing more than what they did before. So this, if you have a coin that you're really willing or would say interested in, you need to start to do the chart and then ask yourself where the coin is. You see, once again, all the coins was banned on such a nice entry level. So this we have the 1, this is the 2, 5 way up. Is, it's really difficult to say if this is just the end of the bigger wave 2, and this was just another 1, and this we did a flash wave 2 touching the MA200. This is on the daily. Are we going to continue to skyrocket up? So many questions to be answered. Honestly, Kronos, it's pumping like crazy. It's amazing. Very happy with Kronos. Kati also is doing well. As you can see today, it didn't lose anything almost, and yeah, it's looking good. Reaching the MA200, not too late. Let's wait for this wave to be completed. Corrective movement ABC. At one certain point, we do need a pullback, so do not FOMO. AVAX also, I would say it's almost consolidating. This it's yeah, it's looking well. As you can see, with the week, crazy week, we did reach perfectly the 1.618 target for the third wave. Yeah, so amazing. Okay, so what else? Atom, it's been a long time I didn't cover. As you can see, also fighting with the MA200, we have a long-term uptrend that's going to help us eventually, hopefully. Arbitrum, also crazy week. This is a new coin, MA200 just popping up. What a coincidence, we are just there. Great. And Aptos, see, all the coins, they are all at the same kind of, well, not all, but many, touching or reaching or reacting to the MA200 or fighting the MA200. Algo also is doing well. Once again, MA200. Cardano, my boy, it's looking good. And Cardano, it's like a huge train, right? It takes time to kick off, so you need to be patient. And then once again, Ethereum, I'm very happy with this because I took an entrance leverage. Honestly, I don't even remember what was the price. I think it was 1918 or something like that here. Actually, it was 5 a.m. this morning, so 6 a.m. So all right, I think it was yeah, I think 1916. I took a leverage 5x, and then I did put a sell stop limit here. I think it was 1885, I think, or something, or 1880. I think 1880, just below this level here. I don't even know why I don't have the trend. Where is my trend? I have the short-term trend. Anyway, we were fighting near here, so I said, what the hell? I'm going to look for it and wait for a pullback. when it did reach the I think I was on the 15 minutes though. Then I said if it goes and touch the MA 50, I'm going to get some, and that's what I've done. And I said worst case scenario here, I get stopped out at 1885 or 1880. What's the reason? Is because, well, if the price reverse on me, it's going to break this trend, and then that's an indication that if the trend is broken, we're going to have a bigger corrective, and this is not going to happen. So it did work well because we start to go higher. We did break this trend, and we went higher. So I took already, I programmed my profit taking at exactly 2025. That was my ideal target anyway. I did tell you many times. And yeah, so ideally actually we went even higher, right? But I didn't want to be greedy. When I entered the trade 5x, I already put right away my sell stop limit and my taking profits, and then that's it. So I got stopped out on what's a Trust Wallet, and here I got successful. I think I got like 26%. So that's amazing for I think I don't know, 3 hours. 3 hours enough. Amazing. Okay, so now market, it's crazy. I wouldn't touch it anymore, and yeah, it's because of the news. So thank you, news. Now it is true that Bitcoin versus actually Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it didn't move that much. So let's see if today Ethereum can actually step up, continue what it's doing, and maybe go for the next cap or target of 2141 would be amazing. All right, so also yesterday, what a coincidence, I did tell you miners need to go up, otherwise we're going to get screwed. Well, good thing Mara, it's performing. It's up 10%, but unfortunately hot, not that hot. So to not play with words. And yeah, today once again playing with the MA 200. No, that's the, let me go on the daily. So MA2, the good news is we still price is higher than MA 200. The bad news, we did a dead cross when MA 50 cross below the MA 200. We are in a precarious situation here. So honestly, hot and money need to go and at least prove us that it can reach, ideally, honestly, the $3.86 would be very good, because if Bitcoin, not if, but when Bitcoin is going to make its pullback, we need to get some higher level so that we can make a higher low. Because if we stay there and then Bitcoin decides to do is a bigger pullback, we're going to make a new lower low, which is not good. Actually, I mean, we need to, before we make a very like a all-time of this cycle lower low, we will need to drop a lot, but it's going to kind of alter the structure of this chart, and then after that it's going to invalidate this 1 2 1 2. After that start to be almost stretchy to call this 1 and then a super overshooting wave B and the C, like it wouldn't make sense. And also our invalidation points, once again, it's 107. So if we go below that, we got invalidated for that longer term, but honestly, I cannot call that overshooting wave B. So we cannot go lower $1.71 because this is the impulsive movement of the second 1 2, right? And yeah, so honestly, we must hold this trend, otherwise it's not going to look good. All right, anyway, now I'm rushing a little bit, don't have much time. I just wanted to make a quick flash on the market today, but very happy. But let's not FOMO. Also here, AGX, it was looking good, it's still looking good. Didn't want to do that. And yeah, it's still looking good, but honestly, I'm not buying anything now. There is too much FOMO. I'm going to wait maybe tomorrow, or maybe on honestly in the weekends. Things are going to chill down, and maybe we can jump back in. So I would say the main message I want to send now, like the moving has been done. Now let's see how it goes. Let's see if Ethereum can hold the 2000 cap, and BTC if we can hold the 36k, because honestly we're doing this crazy up and down, and where the more it goes, the more we're losing the momentum for a moment. So do not play with words. So this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.